mandarin fruits, guys. So amazing. At the backyard garden. Here in Amman, Jordan. Guys, tingnan niyo guys. Oh, ayan, ayan. Oh, ang dami. Yan. Tingnan niyo guys, puno niya maliit lang pero yeah. Kain tayo. Guys, oh. Ayan. So, kita niyo guys. Wow, masarap ito guys. Very fresh guys. Ganyanin ko lang guys kasi gahawak ako guys. Na. Ano ka ba? Mawa ako guys. Rich in vitamins.